Hello, hello. Hello?
No, I
Hello?
cannot hear you.
What? Did you put me on mute on in the
No,
in-game volume?
no, I put you in normal.
Okay,
Dah baru dengar.
I
Baru
know
dengar.
why. But aku buat push to talk dekat apa ni? Dekat little company kejap tadi.
Hey, it's not my fault then. Ding 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 ding.
小さくなってくるつまで飛びたい飛びたい飛びたい。
だけの人間にJom. I have 0 death left.
Oh, company. Oh, oops. Ow! Guess we don't need it.
Why your shit is yellow?
Why it took you that long to notice? I play in the public server just now, right? Oh, like immediately at the front entrance, yeah?
Aww. Ni rasa nak.
Hmm?
Ooh,
Oh, three.
boleh
Oh,
lagi.
oh my god. I guess we can
300.
just
Go.
yeah.
I'm the laziest? What?
What was that? Oh, where did Teru go?
Ben,
Yeah.
he is too scary. Dia terus line.
Toko. Yeah, I saw a loot bug, a hoarder bug. Well, what do we do now? Wait. Come back first.
Is that bracken?
No, the loot bug. Take the motor, put it outside. Definitely go outside. Go outside, okay. We can just leave.
There's a bracken, right?
No. The face sucker. Look.
Nyanyi aku tutup mata. Should I go? Oh, okay. Yep, nice.
You have a shovel with you, right?
Yep. You want?
No, I'll bring the stop sign. Oh my god, another stop sign. Yeah. Another stop sign?
Stop sign.
Another stop sign? Okay, he's fine, he's okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Now. Is here the right way?
Yeah. Where's the light off?
I don't know. Wah, dua bawah kita.
There were footsteps. I don't think that was the worm. That was probably the giant. Alright, let's go.
Buka pintu, buka pintu, buka pintu, buka pintu. Buka pintu.
Alright.
Lompat, lompat, lompat.
Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Oh, ush. Oh, salju dong.
Right, so we need to go into it.
Shadow. Yeah, shadow.
What the hell? Apa tu? Apa
Tak ada
tu?
apa-apa.
What the hell?
Alright, let's get in.
Account sound.
Yo, korang.
Belum apa dia
Apa? Belum lagi monster lagi keluar tu. Sap.
Alright, master keluar dah.
Monster boleh keluar dah. Dia terkejut dia. Dia nak ambil.
Don't forget, you can use your flashlight by the way.
How?
Look at the top right. Tengok dia kata apa.
Oh, ada fire exit tu. Ada fire exit kat sini.
Nice.
Ada mimic ke?
No. Because mimics
Oh, dia
don't.
tak update
That's actually a mod.
Oh, terkejut.
patut lah.
Terkejut tiang ni.
Okay, so we see this. Be careful, be careful.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, you want here? You want this? You can take this if you want.
So that slime is even though
I think so.
it's slow, it's very dangerous.
Cute.
Yeah,
Does it
it may
look
look cute, but
What the hell?
Ah!
Oh,
What did you do?
oh, run! Lari! Come!
I think it's because I took the key.
Come. No, I don't know what's wrong with the loot bug. It's just
Dia mudah everyone.
blah.
Dah
I
malam
don't
tu.
know like why the loot bug is like that. Dia memang sometimes dia kalau if you're very up close and personal dia akan tiba-tiba marah.
Belum pada.
Really stay quiet.
Ah. Ah.
Ni, you see that monitor? So if you hover on the grey button, it switches the player.
Oh shit!
Alright, for this one, okay wait. Do you see that? You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so be careful around them.
Be careful.
I'm gonna demonstrate what happens.
Hamza.
No!
Oh! Shit. I'm sorry.
Ow!
Biarkan je. Lari je. I'm gonna die.
Okay, another one.
Bapak banyak.
Shit.
Okay, I'm just gonna say it. From the ship to the right of the ship is the path.
Oh. Mati. Lah, Hamza.
You know what? Let's just vote to leave. Vote to leave.
Right. Yeah, sure, why not? I'll go. Laziest employee.
Dia lazy.
Laziest.
Goddamn.
Pasal ni baru sekali tak ada note langsung.
Alright, so that's not what you do with the hive.
Jadi kalau tak kena tagline. Kalau kuota tak sampai.
You can find out later on.
Just one ah. Okay.
Yeah, Kamil.
I'm gonna...
Kamil.
Sekejap, nak pergi...
Wait.
Why? What's going on?
There's two.
Oh, no. Ada dua.
Yeah. Another one.
Huh?
Bro.
Wow. Wait, so if we like die, like the maps reset as well? Like the maps and stuff?
Sorry, what? Kamil, kau crouch.
Yeah.
Oh my god, never mind. Nice.
What if they lompat just ni?
Okay, take the stop sign.
Take...
Take the stop sign and hit me.
Pukul. Yeah,
Nice.
fuck you. Yeah. Okay, dah mati dah. Wait, Hamzah. Dah. Oh, aku tak.
Suara Hamzah ke tadi?
Oh my
Nice.
god. It's so heavy.
Oh, nice. Okay, we can go back.
Okay, tutup.
Yeah, I wanted to try something daring. Can I get that?
Alright, what we gonna...
You want, huh? What do you want? Huh?
I distracted you.
What do you want?
The hell is that?
It's the baboon
No,
box.
it's that
Ow,
thing.
ow, ow.
Alright, jom kita gerak je. Aduh. I didn't know that it can kill you, the thing. Kita tadi dengar dance sebab dia dah mati kan.
Yeah, so that thing can kill you. It's just like
That thing can
it's
kill?
like yes. It's just that
the thing-
it avoids you based on like how many people are nearby. If there's more us than them, they're going to go away. Like, but if there's more of them than us, then they're going to fight us.
Kill us.
Yes.
Oh wow, I thought they were passive. Aku ingat dia tak bunuh kita tu.
Right. So you ring the bell for the monsters. Apa ni? For never mind.
Tiba-tiba hilang.
Beribu dapat ni.
420.
Oh my god, 42, 420, nice. Me right now.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay, for this one,
ready.
it's
Ready when you are.
over here.
Oh, memang tahu tempat lah.
Yeah. What do you think I did for 60 hours? The fire exit is close by. And you don't need to jump.
Nice.
So bila kau dengar bunyi macam van open tadi kan, that means the monster comes out. The monster is coming out. And speaking of monsters, here is a monster.
Oh shit, yeah.
Wanna go back?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
I dropped the axles down there.
I got some stuff as well. I've got full inventory. Nice.
Dapat cancel. Nak pergi sana lagi tak? Ke dah okey dah?
What do you think? We still have like 2 more days. We can just leave and go to another moon and check out that place.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Sure. Let's go.
Alright.
Time to leave this. So from this, we go to the right. If you want, you guys can go to the main entrance, cause I'm gonna go to the fire exit.
Oh, yeah, I see it down there.
Yeah.
Hamzah, jom. Jom.
There's nothing else here. I almost stepped on that. Whee! Anyone here? Are they okay? Are you guys here? Hello? Hello? Guys? Guys?
Daniel.
Hello?
Ya. It's good. Hamzah tadi kena face hugger. Apa tak?
Oh, nice.
Satu barak di
Network,
mana?
didn't say nice.
I don't know. I don't really mind wherever. Kalau ada exit tu dah okay dah. Bagi aku. Oh shit. Hello.
Yeah.
Is that you? Alright. Oh, that's it. Fucking hell. Oh, fucking frick. No, fuck you, man. Fuck you, man.
Goodbye.
Man.
Get out. Let's go out.
Hamzah, balik je. Bawa barang tu balik je. You're dead.
Korang mati?
Yeah.
Apa benda tu?
Not harmless.
Tak, just lotus. Tak apa-apa. Alright, tutup pintu kat belakang kau. Yang button pintu. Dan nampak mati.
Oh, kena serang dengan hitam tu ke?
Yup.
Yep. Okay.
Dua kali kau masuk pintu tu, benda tu kejam.
Aku tadi pukul tu benda tu.
Kalau kau
Dia-
pukul dia insta kill juga.
So dah gimana? Kena buat apa ni?
Tekan start yang level tu. Tak, yang satu lagi.
Ni.
Satu. Untuk give lah. Dia ada tak. Laziest employee, most paranoid
Laziest.
employee on Discord.
Boleh dia kata aku laziest.
I'm gonna mute this. Lucky. Alright, so we go now, right? Go on.
Yeah.
We go now.
Ouch.
Alright,
So you see that light over there, right?
Uh-huh.
That's the main entrance.
Alright, let's go.
Don't go straight though. Do not go straight because this.
Oh, what the hell? What the hell is that?
There's nothing. By the way, this place has 3 fire exits, and I'm gonna go into one of them. Definitely not this one. Cannot see a thing. Hello. Hello. I went through another fire exit. Ah,
Apa nak kita mesti dulu?
Alright, jangan balik.
be careful. Do not fall.
Alright.
Kenapa? Ada
Yeah,
apa?
no, there was like shark thing. There was a shark.
Start saying, oh, a thumper. Oh, that's bad. Here. That thumper is really hard to avoid. Like once it sees you, it hunts you. Oh, run! Get out!
Hamzah?
Hamzah? Oh, thank
Alright.
God.
Alright, jom balik. Nice. Right. How much do we have though? Oh my god.
We have enough. We have enough.
125. 125. Ya ni.
Yeah, we have enough. We can just go to the company.
Nice. Di apa ni sial? Alright, I'm gonna jump off.
No,
Come back.
you just left it on the ground.
Oh wait, no, it's too heavy. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Apa ni? Huh? Apa tadi? Apa jadi? Oh.
Oh. Oh, dude. We sold too much. We sold too much.
Wait, babi. You wanna get me killed or something?
Preferably not.
Let's go.
Oh wow, we have it. Too much, I think. So, beli barang tak? Beli satu.